What's up guys, I'm back with another awesome Mafia City video and season 3 map is finally available. We can enter the map and the map look absolutely beautiful. Today's video we are going to talk about how you can unlock these new troops or tactical troops, whatever you can call them, because this is the question I'm getting a lot from you guys. So there is a lot of things in season 3 that I want to cover about, and I will be making different videos on different topics, because if I will talk about all of those things in one video, it's kind of make it a mess. If you want to get an information on a particular thing, you can just watch one of my video instead of watching my one full big video just for one thing that you want to know. So this will make things a lot more simple. So as you hear, we are going to talk about the new troops and the new tactical troops that they are calling tactical privateer, and in order to unlock them you need to have sailor privateer. A lot of guys have confusion about this, is that we already have sailor privateer but I cannot see it. I cannot see where they are. As you can see, sailor privateer is a bulker type troops, and I think that the reason why you cannot see this is because it's not available yet. Even though the sailor privateer is unlocked, you cannot train them. First I was thinking that my T8 bulker are going to be converted into sailor privateer, and then later once I was able to unlock the tactical privateer, I will be able to convert those sailor privateer into tactical privateer. These troops are not available yet even though you have unlocked it, and I'm going to show you the proof of this, and this will also show you that how you can unlock these new. If you will click on the acquire button in the tactical privateer section, you can see it's going to be giving you a task that you need to complete in order to get a ticket that will help you to unlock your tactical privateer. But in order to get the ticket, you need to unlock a chapter in Conquest Archive. So as you can see, if you will go on the chapter 4, in chapter 4 it's writing, after this chapter cooldown ends, all base will enter the open state and be open to scramble, but the city region must be connected to it first. Leader will continuously earn city points and be able to recruit sailor privateer after occupying them. So as you can see on your screen that sailor privateer are not available yet. So in order to get these sailor privateer, in order to unlock them, you need to be on chapter 4. Once you unlock the sailor privateer, you can unlock the tactical privateer by doing the task. As you already seen in the mail, it's written that both of these troops you can unlock for free, so these will be free. It's looking decent guys. It's T8 bulker type troops, offensive bulker. It has a unique skill called Petty Vengeance.
I'm vengeance.
That has a chance to launching a counter attack after receiving a normal attack. It's looking promising. I cannot say a lot about them until I test them out, so need to wait for them. So guys, don't freak out. It's normal. You will get those sailor privateer and these tactical privateer once they are available. The reason you cannot use them is because they are not available yet, as for my information. If you have anything to add to this, let me know in the comment section below. And once again, the season 3 map is absolutely amazing. I think they have done very good job in this map, and there is a lot of things that I will be making video in the coming days, coming hours. So make sure you subscribe the channel, turn on post notifications so you won't miss any of them. That's it. Let me know your thoughts about this new season in the comment section, and I'll catch you another one. Until then, take care, stay safe, peace.